Camping advice for camping lovers and haters. Many people wish they knew how to have the best time when they go camping. Yet there isn't a lot of knowledge on the internet about how to enjoy yourself while you camp. Lucky for you, this is one of the few places where you can figure out how to get the most out of your camping experience. If you are planning any kind of backcountry camping, a must-carry item is a fire starter kit. If you are in a survival situation, fire is a way to cook, keep you warm, purify water, and signal for help. Many camping stores sell fire starters that can be used when wet and do not require any fuel. Also, try making fire when you are not in a survival situation so you know you can do it if the need arises. When you are planning a camping adventure, make sure you pack the appropriate clothing for your trip. Check the weather forecast and bring the clothing that will be needed on your trip. If it is going to be cold, make sure you have the appropriate coats, gloves, and shoes. Remember to also pack a rain poncho no matter what the weather forecast predicts. Research any potential campground well. They all have different amenities. Some may have showers and bathrooms, while others may not. There are even a few campgrounds that are quite fancy, with on-site miniature golf games or water parks. You may not need or want all that, so figure it out ahead of time so that you are not disappointed when you get there. Incorporate swimming into your camping trip. Anytime you go camping, you are likely to miss taking a shower. The coolness of the water when you swim will help you feel clean and refreshed, so you may not miss your home shower as much. When you reach your campsite, the first thing you should do is to start collecting wood for your fire. You won't feel like it later on, and if you wait until dark you will have a harder time finding the kind of wood you need to keep a fire going. Do it right away. As long as you try your best to follow the advice that was outlined from this video, everything should work out for you while you go camping. Make sure you try your best to go camping because it is a once-in-a-lifetime experience for you, and it will help you relax. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.